One of the more popular trips that you can take from the Palenque ruins in Chiapas, Mexico is to the Agua Azul Waterfall, which translates to blue water in English. And it's a very popular destination with locals and tourists alike. This is the bottom of the pool, and you can see this beautiful blue color. People come from miles to swim in this, and it's very placid at the bottom, but the most interesting thing is to take the trail that goes up the hillside, up into the mountain, and follow the waterfall as it cascades down from the top. Each of these cataracts were just slightly different. This was the largest waterfall in the complex in terms of width and probably height as well. And as you get up above this, you can't swim any longer. But you can see it has waterfalls everywhere, and in many places the river splits into two and tumbles down from two different directions. As you get closer to the top, it turns into denser forest, and you have smaller waterfalls that are sort of popping up in and amongst the trees. They have a certain beauty of their own, not quite as spectacular as the big cataract, but certainly pretty. And then near the top, there's a little dirt path that goes off to the right, and it has a sign high above that says, "Look out." And this is what you see from the top.